Hello. Ah, Hello. Hello and welcome to my audio student. I'm visible to you. Sorry, I'm audible to you. Please text in the comment box. So I have some issue with my mic. That's why I want to confirm. Okay, and write your original name in here. So it will help me to call directly with your name, right? Acha, my main. Okay, my voice is clear. Okay, Mohit, very good. Uh, okay, Mohit, confirm करो voice clear अच्छी. Okay. So let's start with one of the important session, that is, science made easy. Yes or no? So everyone having the same problem, or I'm not talking about particularly for okay, same kind of student. By the way, whether a topper student as well, they feel very difficult, all right, while dealing with science. Yes or no? By the way, they can understand after okay. Yes. Okay. So that means science is a challenging subject for everyone. So we are here to discuss some of the important. Uh, I can say, I want to share some of the important concept with you, so that it will help you to just build the foundation that you need a lot. Okay, before going to step in a science society. All right. That means आमे जेतेबेले किसी स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक ऊपर पढ़ू, देन सही समय रे जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग रो रिक्वायरमेंट थाए. सपोज जदि मु कहे, सपोज यू आर ओके लाइक रीडिंग या yes or no, that means you were understanding, or okay, suppose social science. All right. And next is, your literature, mean something language. Yes or no? So at the point of the social science or any other subject, mean language as well, or English or Odia, whatever you have. So according to it, you already, okay, that means you set your mind before going to read or before going to learn that particular subject. Yes or no? ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପଢ଼ୁ, ଦେନ୍ ସେଇ ସିଚୁଏସନରେ ଆମେ କିଛି ଫିକ୍ସ କରିଥାଉ କି ଆମେ ବା ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲିଟି ଯାହା ଅଛି, ଟୁ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଅର୍ ଟୁ କୋପ୍ ଅପ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଟପିକ୍. ୟେସ୍ ଅର୍ ନୋ? ତେବେ ଠିକ୍ ସେହିପରି ସାଇନ୍ସ ବି ଏକ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ. ତେବେ ଏହି ସବଜେକ୍ଟକୁ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଯାହା ଥଟ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ରହିଛି, ତେବେ ସେଇ ଥଟ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଏଥିରେ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବା. And that will really help you to understand science, okay, properly. Yes or no? That means I can say we are here to discuss how science can be easy. Yes or no? People are basically they try, fine. After that they give off and they're trying to memorize some of the concept, and in that concept they just want to express in the exam. All right, if that question has been asked, sorry, if the question, okay, yes, is asked in the yes, in the examination paper, right? ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ similarly जो thought process required ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଆମେ first ବୁଝିବା. What I can say in simple word is concept. Okay, what is it? Concept means there are some of the, I can say, phenomena. Yeah, there are some of the that I observe around. Okay, yes or no? Around us. I mean, where we live, particularly, and we are come across so many kind of different phenomena, and that phenomena itself is science. Yes or no? What I say, phenomena. Okay, mean in simple term, I can say observation. Mean that observation. Yes or no? All right. Okay. The observation means happening of day and night. Okay, I can say I can give example. Okay, uh, day and night. All right. Is it visible to you? Okay. Again, uh, raining as well. Day and night we understand. After that, yes or no? Okay, like excess heat. Okay, excess heat and cold. All right. After that, so everything. I mean, oxygen that we intake. Yes or no? Okay. Again, water. Again, nutrition. Mean climate, changing of climate or climatology that we can shift in a simple term, right? Okay, let just understand it. So there are so many kind word, okay, that I can't able to count basically. Each and every moment that I take help of science, all right, each and every moment. I mean, even though if I'm talking with you and you are watching me through this medium, and this medium also, okay, dealing with some particular science. I mean, all right. I mean, each moment, whatever you are doing right now, or where you are, how you feel, okay, everything there is, okay, I mean, everything we can see, and yes, in every situation and every moment we are dealing with science, and that science help us to make our way of life, okay, easier. Yes or no? And what I say, easier mean it's somehow the observation, mean the phenomena that happening inside, that happening around me, mean this environment. All right, this environment. Okay, and this environment is playing a level-based field, and hence we are okay. By the way, I'm an object, but I'm not only an object. I'm categorized as a living object, right? Yes or no? So I will come to that point as well, living and non-living. So what are the phenomena, and that phenomena particularly dealing with science, and what we have, okay, the mean whatever invention that we already did, and what we think much more about it for the future generation, okay, for the okay upcoming future, everything there is to deal, sorry, in any kind or in every moment of time we are dealing with science, and that's why we are able to get something which is better, and that helps us to only make our life very easier. Okay, so ତାକୁ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଯଦି suppose something ମୁଁ କିଛି invention କଲି, and that not help me to easy, sorry, that doesn't help me to live a smooth life. Yes or no? So आज ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଅଛି, so ଗାଡ଼ି with the help of that vehicle, what I'm doing, I'm just traveling, okay, yes or no, of far distance places within an hour. All right, but if I, okay, don't use any vehicle, then I want to travel from this to there, it will take time, right? As well as it will takes, okay, lots of energy. Yes or no? And that lots of energy and times are valued to us, and that's why we want to make that time short, and also less amount of energy that can be spent to travel. And that is why we invent the vehicle, or we discovered that kind of okay, object, what we say as a vehicle, right? Okay, so jaha bhi ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି then every situation ରେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ question ପଚାରୁଛେ, yes or no? We are asking question in every situation, right? Okay, then what kind of question is that? The question must be related with us. That question must be related with our environment. That question must have to be satisfy our need, and that's why we are asking question. Yes or no? If I'm not able to get benefit out of there, then I will not ask any. Okay, I don't even want to ask question whether I got, okay, by the way, directly or indirectly, I benefited, and that is why I'm asking question. Okay, today we are live with phone and laptop, whatever. You also watching me through phone and laptop. So this phone and laptop also help us to connect with you. That's why we have this kind of object, and how this object comes to our head with the help of the question that, okay, this human asked to make his life very easier. Yes or no? We are in a well, all right, positioned environment, and that environment itself helps us to like solve any kind of problem with the help of science. And that is why the science which we term it, yes or no, some knowledge, yeah, some proven knowledge, and that, okay, that has been evolved from a simple question, and that question might be why there is day and night, why there is excess heat and excess cold, why there is oxygen, or why there is, okay, air, yes or no, air, why there is water, why there is like the food we, okay, we eat, why the climate feels like this, and where I live, that climate is somehow just, okay, temperate in natures, all right, but others climates are not that kind of okay, that's not, okay, much more, yeah, you know, if I'm going anywhere, suppose I'm now I'm in Kashmir, then I feel something, yeah, the climate condition must be vary as compared to Odisha right now. So every situations and every kind of feelings that you are going with, that all are associated with a particular concept or particular subject matter, and that subject matter itself started from a simple question, whether now I am in Odisha, and if I'm going to where Jammu and Kashmir, also if I ask why I feel just cold, and even from Odisha as well, why I just feel yes or no, why I just feel heat, I'm yes or no, then this question that I'm asked, why, and that question itself can be solved through the help of science, and that science, what we are simple call it as a phenomenon, and that phenomena completely rely upon the observation, and the observation must be associated with the environment where we live, and that environment gradually asking, okay, support us to behave as a living being, and that living, due to the living being, we are, okay, continued, or we want to make this way of life very easier, and that easier sense is completely the observations or a new finding way to reach a particular concept, and that is, you know, the science. And that's why this science has to has to be understand. It is more important, and that's why in every kind of situations, whenever you are going to dealing with a particular topic, in that topic we just trying to understand, we just trying to memorize, we just trying to find out some of the formula, we just trying to find out some of the concept as well, but that's not much, okay, enough. Are you getting my point? That's not enough, right? So we need to, okay, talk much more about it, okay, we need to ask, okay, that particular concept from these observations, the phenomena where I lie, and what kind of situation, what kind of concept that particularly okay, relate with this subject, all right, and that subject can be traced out, okay, with an easy explanation, with the help of some of the critical, okay, thinking, and that's the one way to achieve or one way to understand science. And that's why we are trying to give, or we are trying to just think about the book's knowledge and of practical life. And that's why I'm telling every times how this science can be easy if you follow this strata. I mean, if you follow or if you accept it where you are live and why this phenomena is happening, particularly with the help of this science. All right. So we are in different classes. I mean, some are in class 8, some are in class 9, some are in class 10. Okay, so according to it, you have the specific book, and that's no that is your science book, right? And science itself categorizes into chemical science, physical science, biological science. I will talk it after some time. Okay, but let me give just the brief foundation. I mean, the first step to just going into to just yes or no, like finding out. I mean, just to observe that same particular phenomena, whether I know it very simple that there is day and night, but when science comes to understand me why it is happening, then there is something I mean, I feel just difficult to deal, right? And that is the way how we make our gap in between the theory and the practical. Sorry, yes, the physical observations, right? And I will particularly I have already like designed some concept. What I can say, there are most probably 24 concept, in three category. All right, 24 concept. What are that? I mean, I will telling one by one. All right. The three category means I'm just directly telling about the biological science. I'm just directly telling about the chemical science, and I'm just trying to telling about the physical science. So these three science domain, particularly based on the 24 concept. And what are the 24 concept? I will cover accordingly. By the way, for the first, this is the first class, you know already, and that's why I'm trying to just convince myself whether is it okay, whether you are listening to me or any kind of problem that you are facing right now. There might be some light issue. There might be some it can't be recognized later what I have written already. So gradually we will improve that as well. So this is my first class, whether I comes to live to inform, and my intention is to not just to understand or not just to mean prove that I am a knowledgeable student. No, it is all about the things that you also having the problem right now. Yes or no? That I am also a student. But once I'm just trying to asking so many kind of question, and that question has some relation with the knowledge, the theory that I have. I'm come across my textbook or my class science book, right? According to it, we make all right. I will say what are the 24 concept, and if you understand that 24 concept, then it will you feel science is something special, right? It will not make yes or no. That means how we deal social science or language chapters. Same thing is science as well, and this domain is something special. That too, we are we take help to live each and every moment, right? Okay, fine. So let's start. And before that, I will say this is all about why this science that we need to understand. For each and every moment, sciences matter a lot, right? Suppose if I'm feeling hungry, if I'm unhealthy, all right, if I'm taking any kind of food and that tastes something different, yes or no, and I'm able to write with the help of this pen as well, yes or no, I'm able to talk with you through this internet. Then every domain there is something special, and that's something special that we need to understand. Why we need to understand? We are here to just live each and every moment with an easier life. Yes or no? And that's why generation after generation we try to ask question. Still day we are asking question as we need something more special than the existing thing. Yes or no? Once upon a time there is a keypad. There is right now as well. There is a keypad phone. And after that keypad phone, we got that smartphone where we don't have any keys at there. By the way, we also operate in a same kind. But why we need that smartphone? There is something that we need extra to yes or no. That means not only talk, but also there is something that we can search, we can watch, we can like know different like news. Okay, everything. Mean our thinking or our like requirement is not sufficient from that keypad mobile, and that's why we questioned again. And that question again helps to give something better, and that is the smartphone, and that's why where we okay when okay that means we started this observation with the help of question, and that question must be why and what, right? Why and what and somehow how, right? These three questions. So first of all we ask why today and night. After that how. All right, fine. We ask why, then we accept it. Ki there is something, some logic. Okay, that means we say ki there is someone like God who perform all these activities around me. All right, and that's what we accept it. But gradually we have or we proven that particular observation ki why that is, and that's why we proceed towards the how. I mean how it is somehow we just to explore much more about it. Yes or no? The electricity as well. It is something like which is okay. I'm feeling something when I want to ask a question. If I'm new to see this light, then what could be my thought? Ki something astonished, right? And that things has explored in so many kind of questions, and it has been proven step by step, and that's why finally it reaches us as a science, and that science completely deal with particular like I mean this phenomena, and that phenomena okay contain that phenomena completely pertain in our theory book as a particular concept. That is, we know the light concept or electricity and magnetism, what you are going to learn in class 8, 9 or 10 book, right, as a foundation. Okay, I mean the first step of knowledge that you understand about light and electricity, and how this electric current can behave as a magnet, right? I will say one by one. Okay, so let's okay again going back to the topic. What we understand here is, first of all, we are okay live in a particular environment, and that environment we are dealing with something like habitat, yes or no, ecosystem, right? Yes or no? Okay, I mean I'm just talking about the biodiversity. Yes or no? Like how I live, how a fish live, how in birds live, and why their ecosystem is different from me. Yes or no? All right, why the habitat is also varying, whatever the things that okay we didn't even prove till date. By the way, we are approaching toward the observations only. Yes or no? And that observations mostly pertain with a particular environment, and that environment helped me to be live as a living object. And I'm become a living object, and like me, there are millions of creatures. They also live, but they don't ask question like me, and that's why I'm a social being, right? Social animal is human, and this social animal asking question in so many times. This social animal trying to find a way so that he or she can live can achieve an easier life. Yes or no? And that is the main situation, and that situation comes out as a question. And this question must be the question firstly it comes like why. After that we accept it by existence okay like nature's god, and okay gradually we proven it by explore much more uh, with the help of so many kind of questions, right? And this is the three way, and these questions helps to understand a particular phenomena, and that phenomena becomes a concept, and this concept contain my textbook, and that textbook I call as a science. And that is why we are in this class, Amar Walla Gyan, right? We are trying to understand when this is the book. And this is where you live, mean the environment, right? This is book, and this is your house, okay? And this is your question. I mean after all, okay, you have to be asked 100%, right? till date I'm asking ki why this light glow like this. Why I switch? Okay, if I switch off, then the light glow, the glowingness of the light completely vanished. Right? Then this kind of questions are pertinent in my mind as well. I mean that I want to understand something, or I want to make something special out of there. All right, and that is why science is so okay. It is like invention, and that invention is mostly associated with a particular okay phenomena or observation that we are facing each and every moment in a particular environment. Got it? Okay, fine. And what we try to ask the question first. We try to observe the situation or the phenomena, and out of this phenomena, let's say I'm saying already about the electricity. Suppose, right? And this electricity, then I have to ask question from the house or from the house, why electricity? All right? Yes or no? And if I ask this question, there are so many kind of answer that must be I can say going into my mind, and I can think at least about this. Got it? Okay. Out of this electricity, I just jump into the textbook, and okay, the electricity topic you can going to learn. Got it? You can going to learn in class 8, 9 or 10 onward. Yes or no? 8, 9 and 10 onward. And in there you have to study about the electricity. After getting some knowledge or getting some insight of the particular topic, you gradually asking or you gradually compare the questions that you have already asked, where you don't even touch the book, where you were in your house. All right, then this is somehow that we are just going to deal, or just going to understand, or just going to accept the challenge that where I am and what kind of innovation or what kind of technology that I'm having right now. Yes or no? Or it is evolving. Yes or no? So today we have this setup, and we can improve with the help of a different or advanced technology or anything. Yes or no? And that is why I can say why this phenomenon work is there is something what I got as a new, or what I got as an improved form must be depend upon the existing one. Yes or no? And that's why I'm giving first wow the keypad phone, after that the smartphone. Yes or no? So if there will there were no any keypad phone, then we don't even think about the smartphone. This is my my intention to say you. All right, or informed you. First of all, you just think what exactly in the electricity that I'm using in my home, and how the electricity is expressed in the texted form or the theory form, and that you are going to read. After just getting some of the theory knowledge, your questions that you have already asked in the home must be refined or must be changing. Yes or no? All right, and that changing questions or refined questions somehow helps you to explore the scientific world, somehow helps you to understand the science in a simple way, somehow helps to deal, or somehow helps to create a curiosity to ask the questions. And that is why how science made easy if we go through this way, right? All right, by the way, let me conclude. I'm just going to briefly informed you that what I thought. Basically there can be so many different way, or I may be wrong as well, so you can inform in the comment box. Or we are I already agreed, or I already accept that I'm not a religious one. By the way, I'm just thinking and how I think particularly the science topic. All right, when I think science, then it's somehow difficult me to understand, or difficult me to just if I want to read as well, then I have no that much of ability to read that book and that particular situations, okay, that I faced already, and that situation can be handled through this way, and that is why I am telling you through how science can be easy. All right, science is not all about memorizing, it is just all about the asking questions. All right, then how we ask it? From the existing one. After that, we can also invent some new things. It will be like easy. I'm not saying ki if there is something, then you can also then you can achieve the improve things. Okay, there are so many hidden things as well. Science itself is telling that, how you ask and how you behave with the natures, the same thing that I'm treating with you, right? The same thing that you just like want, you just explore yourself to get your way that you want to live, on easier life, right? Okay, it might be hard to you, and okay, like I also getting confused sometimes that this is my first live class, by the way, but I will, okay, trying my best. What you know and what I know, we both are sharing the knowledge and on the same platform where Amar Walla Gyan, you can, okay, search like this, make space while we searching so that you can get with the same T-set that I have uploaded my, okay, profile photo. Hope so. And the main thing is that if what we focus here today, our focus completely about the 24 concept, and this 24 concept completely that I okay, trying to learn from my book in different classes. By the way, if you going 11, all right, 12, like this graduation as well, so in every classes you must be deal with this 24 concept. By the way, suppose 3 concept in 8 class, another 3 concept in 9 class, like this way, right? And I informed, or I okay, like we are going to discuss the 24 concept completely in the tomorrow classes at the same time. Today there is uh, it is like yes, I will create something. This is instantly that I came directly live, right? I don't have like any what the thumbnail, or I don't create any link, anything. All right, everything is there that I need, and I will update it for tomorrow, and I will also mention time at there. When you are new to this channel, then definitely I will say we are here to just discuss the concept, not the knowledge, right? And that concept must be, okay, understanding, okay, understandable things to us, as we are the human, or we are the social being, and we only ask the question, and that's why the question helps me to understand my environment, and that environment helps me to live as a living object, and that situation that's I want to just learn from the observation through the concept, and that concept, okay, contained in a particular subject domain, that is the science, right? How we dealing with social science, how we dealing with language topics, similar way we are dealing with science as well. So our intention, we are here to just make science easier. Okay, all right, okay. So it is all about for today. Thank you for watching this, and if you like this, hope so like, as well as if there is need something that I have to, okay, improve, then definitely you can text in the comment box. Okay, so this is all for today. We will see again with the same thing where we left right now. Thank you.